The Imitator. This is a round effect card and it can be turned over at your choice. Place face down in round effect. At any time, kill cards in the opponent's recruits for each matching card of the same color or value in your recruits. So each card in your side can only kill one opponent card. So we're going to show you how this works. It's a little complicated card, but what it does is very powerful. You just have to set it up. So essentially, here's the board, and I've already played this card. It's a round effect. And when I have had, it usually takes a few rounds to really get this card going. But once you've decided that you're ready to attack their recruits with your recruits, this is how it works. Each of your recruits can be used to kill another card, either value or color. So typically what we do is you would take your recruits, you'd flip the card over and say, all right, time to use the Imitator. Then one at a time, you're going to take cards. For example, I'm going to take my -3, and I'm going to use it to kill this brown 10. So we're going to kill that. Then I'm going to say I'll take my 4, and I could kill either one of these 4s. But looking in here, I also have a 5 here, and so I could kill this 4 with this 5. However, I don't have that option, but I do have a red card as well. So I'm going to go ahead and kill this 4 with that. I am then going to take my 5 here, and I'm going to kill this 9, because it's green, with that one. I am going to see what else I can do. I can kill a 7 or a red card, so 7's more valuable, so we'll go ahead and kill the 7 instead. And a 5, I don't have anything, so I can't use that, and I do have a black card, so I can kill this 9. So overall, I was able to take out 5 cards from him and a significant amount of points. Now that of course takes several rounds to set up, but it's one heck of a card. Thanks for watching the video. For more news and updates from the Master of Wheels team, just subscribe to us below.